How to stop a running command in CMD on Windows. Hello friends, suppose you run a command by mistake and want to stop it immediately. Then what will you do? A shortcut key can work wonders when you are stuck in such a situation. This keyboard shortcut is Ctrl C. Let's see how. Suppose you run the system files checker. To stop the command from working, simply press Ctrl C. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.